Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a social media calendar in Canva. Let's get started. Staying consistent on social media is one of the biggest challenges for creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. A well-organized social media calendar is the ultimate solution, allowing you to plan your content weeks or even months in advance. By creating your own customized calendar in Canva, you can visualize your strategy, ensure you're posting a good mix of content, and never miss an important date or launch. The process is straightforward, and you can design a calendar that perfectly fits your brand's aesthetics and your specific platform needs. We'll walk through every single step, from finding the right template to adding all the critical details that make your calendar truly functional. First, you need to open Canva in your web browser. Go to canva.com. On the homepage, you will need to log into your account. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up for a free account very quickly using your email, Google, or Facebook credentials. Now, we've probably seen more together. The free plan gives you access to a massive library of templates and tools, which is more than enough for this project. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Canva home dashboard. Now, to find the perfect starting point, you need to locate the template search. Look at the center of your dashboard screen. You will see a search bar that will says, "What will you design?" Oh, I thought my friend will have a deal over all others. Click inside this search bar and type the exact phrase, social media calendar. After typing it, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Canva will now display a vast collection of pre-designed social media calendar templates. You'll see options ranging from simple monthly grids to comprehensive yearly planners with dozens of pages for strategy, analytics, and content ideas. Take your time to browse through these templates. As you hover your mouse over each design, you'll see two important things: a preview of the pages, and sometimes a small icon in the bottom corner. If you see a small crown icon, that means the template is part of Canva's Premium Pro library and requires a paid subscription to use. However, there are countless excellent templates that are completely free. They won't have the crown icon. Choose a template that has the structure you like. For a robust plan, I recommend selecting one that is multi-page, including sections for a yearly overview, monthly calendars, and perhaps even weekly content grids. When you find the template you want to use, simply click on it. This will open the template in the Canva editor, where you can begin the customization process. With the template now open, take a moment to explore its layout. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a panel showing thumbnails of all the pages in this document. Click through them to understand what each page is for. You might see a cover page, a yearly calendar, monthly planning sheets, and thematic pages for different platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Let's start personalizing from the very beginning with the cover page. Click on the first page thumbnail. The cover likely has placeholder text, like 2025 content calendar. To edit this, double-click directly on the text box. You can now change it to your brand name, like your business name, social media plan, or simply My 2025 Content Strategy. Next, let's make the design match your brand identity. You can change the colors effortlessly. Click on any colored element, such as the shape or the background. In the toolbar that appears at the top of the editor, click on the color tile. This opens the color picker. Here, you can select a new color from a palette. For true brand consistency, if you know your brand's specific hex color codes, you can import them directly into the custom color field. Changing the primary color on key elements will often automatically update other linked design aspects, giving the whole template a cohesive new look instantly. A social media calendar isn't just about dates. It's about capturing your content ideas. Let's move to a core planning page, like a monthly calendar spread. Click on a page titled January or Monthly Plan. You'll typically see a grid of dates. Your first task is to mark all your important dates. These include holidays, product launch days, sales, and any observed awareness days related to your niche. To add an event, go to the Text tab in the left sidebar and click Add a little bit of text. A small text box will appear. Type your event, such as Black Friday sale. Drag this text box onto the correct date on the calendar grid. You can make these event markers stand out by changing their color. Maybe use red for sales and blue for regular posts. Now, for the heart of the planner, planning your actual posts. Many templates have tables or lists for weekly content. You might see columns for the date, the post copy, the visual asset like an image or video, and the platform. You need to fill this out. Click on the placeholder text in these cells and replace it with your planned content. For example, under post copy, you might type, "Introducing our new summer collection." Link in bio. Under asset, you could note, "Product photo number 3" or "Carousel graphic." This detailed pre-planning eliminates daily guesswork. To make your calendar visually intuitive, incorporate your brand's visual assets directly. Go to the Uploads tab in the sidebar and click Upload Files. You can upload your logo, brand imagery, or even screenshots of post mockups. Drag your logo onto the header of your calendar pages for a professional touch. If you have specific graphic templates you always use like quote graphics or announcement styles, you can even take screenshots and place them in the asset column as a visual reminder. Don't forget the strategic overview pages. Templates often include pages for content pillars, campaign goals, or audience insights. These are incredibly valuable. Click on these pages and customize the placeholder text. For content pillars, list your 3 to 5 main topics like educational tips, product spotlights, and community stories. Filling out these strategic sections ensures every post you plan aligns back to your broader marketing goals. As you customize each page, you might want to add or remove elements. To delete something you don't need, simply click on that element, a text box, image, or shape, and press the Delete key on your keyboard. To add new elements, use the Elements tab. Search for icons that represent different post types, a camera for photos, a play button for videos, a megaphone for announcements. Adding these small icons next to your planned posts creates a quick, at-a-glance understanding of your content mix. Once you have meticulously customized every single page, from the cover through all the monthly and weekly planners, it's time to save and export your social media calendar. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the editor, then choose Download. A critical settings menu will appear. For a social media calendar, you have 2 main uses: digital planning or printing. If you want to use it digitally on your computer or tablet, select PDF Standard. If you plan to print it and keep it in a binder, select PDF Print for the highest quality. Ensure you select Pages, all to download your complete multi-page planner. Then, click the Download button. Your fully customized brand-aligned social media calendar will now save to your computer as a PDF file. You now have a powerful planning tool. You can use this digital file to guide your content creation each week, or print it out and hang it in your workspace for a constant visual reference. Updating it is easy. Just go back to your approach the product inflated in print. Buy something from the racial feed and faster in your content. By investing time in creating this calendar, you build a framework for social media success that saves you time, reduces stress, and drives better results. By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.